Okay, having a look at the SouthOrd lockpick gun, available at locksmithstoolbox.com. Stainless steel construction, rubber handles, great in the hand, smooth clicking action, smoothest on the market, adjustment here for the trigger, brass tension here from low to high, just clicks into place. From the USA, great tool. Turning it over to have a look at this great idea. Look at this, quick in with a needle, as quick as you could be. There, turn it up, ready to go. Great. What are we doing here? Lockwood 201. Wrong key. The right key. Check that again, that on low. Comes with this great tension wrench, which is fantastic. See that stainless steel also comes with a knob pick, bent design there. Tension. Adjust it down as we go. Just a couple of turns, we should. And this maybe I had too much tension, and then there you go. The SouthOrd lockpick gun, available at locksmithstoolbox.com. Thank you.